that's so blatant. When it's all the future, I'm that's so raving. Whenever they say my name, I take a payment. Even when I make it rain, I make it.
Yeah, I even know. That's so the future. That's so raving. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rod here, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be another requested video. I'm going to be reacting to Stormzy Rainfall featuring Tiana Major 9. I think that's what her name is. I don't know. I'm US all the way, but I love the London culture, the London music and all that. Like I'm not no hater. Like, there's some hating people that be like, yo, I'm jealous because your music sounds good. Like, it might even sound, some of y'all music might sound better than a lot of our music. I'm not one of those people. if I like your music, if I like whatever you do, I like it. Like, I ain't gonna, like, dang, like, his reaction videos is way better than mine. Like, I'm just trying to step my game up a little bit. Now I'm playing. But I'm not playing. So before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified the next time I upload a video. And we about to get straight into the video. Screen record R. Let's get it.
Embody it, yeah. Let your man speak. I never put no colors on my timepiece. I told you niggas cut me out the grand beef, and now you got me fucking up some gram neeks.
I never put no colors on my timepiece. You talking about his watch? Let's bring it back. I ain't expected to come in like that.
Embody it, yeah. Let your man speak. I never put no colors on my timepiece. I told you niggas cut me out the grand beef, and now you got me fucking up some gram neeks. Sell out running up your gums, man, I'll double back and then I go and double up my funds. And when you finish sucking all your mums, I do another $250,000 and get another number when it's like, I'm getting bored of you boys. Flex on them looking like the old of my boys. Big Mac, I was making all of the noise. And the big fur jacket, that's the fault of your boy. They rate me, that's so blatant. When it's all the future, I'm that's so raving. Whenever they say my name, I take a payment. Even when I make it rain, I make it.
Yeah, I even know. That's so the future. That's so raving. Ah, man.
Making all of the noise and the big fur jacket, that's the fault of your boy. They rate me, that's so blatant. When it's all the future, I'm that's so raving. Whenever they say my name, I take a payment. Even when I make it rain, I make a statement. Let the rain fall on my enemies. Fall on my enemies. Let the rain fall on my enemies.
That's what's up.
All of my enemies. Yeah, let the rain fall on my enemies.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
All of my enemies. Lord, let the rain fall on my enemies. Let it fall on my enemies. Yo. Goose in the winter, keep my back warm. Told my little brother, keep my stack warm. Kill me with some rap corn. I'm a bigger hitter on a bigger platform. Now we did the jiggle walk. Reminiscing about the spinners that my hitter bought. So, salami with that Twitter talk. I can't even hear you through these Brit Awards.
Can't even hear you for it. Can't hear you from these Brit Awards. Comment down below to let me know, cause I heard that he turned down a collab with Jay-Z. Comment down below to let me know if that's true or not. It was a video. I seen that the title practically said he turned it down, but I didn't click on it. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try to find the information out somewhere else. Let me get back into the video. Comment down below to let me know though.
I can't even hear you through these Brit Awards. Put my shades on, hoodie up and send a prayer up to Trayvon. They're trying to figure how a nigga put his name on, and how a nigga did it with no chains on. I give you the keys to no stress. First you give God the praise and see him work. I can't never be on my knees, I'm too blessed. Cause anytime I make it rain or reimburse, then I let the rain fall on my enemies. Fall on my enemies. Let the rain fall on my enemies.
Yeah, this album,
yeah, let the rain fall on my enemies.
I only heard a few tracks. The tracks that I reacted to from his album, man, is lit. It's lit. Stormzy, NF is one of the 2 top artists that I could say that I will be listening to this year. Like Joyner Lucas. I'm late on the train, but oh well. Like, oh well.
On all of my enemies, Lord, let the rain fall on my enemies. Let it fall on my enemies. Yo, fall on my enemies. Fall on my enemies. Let the rain fall on my enemies. All of my enemies. Yeah, let the rain fall on my enemies. On all of my enemies. Lord, let the rain fall on my enemies. Let it fall on my enemies. Yo.
What? That's what's up. Hold on.
I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you. You broke the chains, now I can lift my head. And I'm gonna praise you. I'm gonna praise you. I'm gonna praise you. Take the shackles off my feet so I can dance. I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you. You broke the chains, now I can lift my head. And I'm gonna praise you. I'm gonna praise you. I'm gonna praise you. I'm gonna praise you.
Fall on my enemies. Fall on my enemies. Let the rain fall on my enemies.
It's dope.
All of my enemies, yeah, let the rain fall on my enemies. On all of my enemies, Lord, let the rain fall on my enemies. Let it fall on my enemies.
That was dope. That was dope. That was too dope. So he used I don't even know. I can't even say because I know I heard the end of it when she was like, I just want to praise you. I know that's a gospel song, right? I think that's a gospel song. That's good, yo. That was lit. Comment down below to let me know what you thought about the video. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified the next time I upload a video. And holla at me.